Good morning. Thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. Well, I'm here to wish you all a happy Labor Day. As you're enjoying your day, reflecting, relaxing, and recharging, hopefully you're cooking some burgers and some dogs, drinking some ice cold beer, spending time with your family. Take a look at the fact why we celebrate this day. Peter Maguire, the union leader back in 1882, created Labor Day to honor those who labored hard during the year. Now, the holiday now is conveniently located in between 4th of July and Thanksgiving, and it really celebrates the end of the summer and the beginning of the school year. So as you enjoy this day, I'd like you to think about a few things. We've only got less than 32% of the working year left, and we all know 2020 has definitely been an interesting one. So as you drink those cold ones and flip those burgers and flip those dogs, think about how you need to show up over that next 32% of this year to really finish this year strong. And on Labor Day, what would Labor Day be without a Labor Day sale? Now, my offer to you is this. On September 25th, which is a Friday, is a day that once a quarter, all my business clients get together and spend the entire day out of the business working on the business. All education in the morning and working on a 90-day plan in the afternoon so you can really get dialed in of how to execute on that last quarter of the year so you can finish the year strong. The offer is simple. No money to me or my organization. Just go to my website and make a donation to the Military Heroes Foundation. Send the money to those who put their lives on the line for us to give us that freedom. Then we can enjoy days like that. And then you take the day at the end of the month and work on your business so you can go to the next level. So for now, enjoy the holiday, have some fun, reflect, recharge, relax, have fun with the family, don't drink too many beers. And tomorrow, Tuesday, business as usual, time to get to work. But at the end of the month, spend a day with me and 30 to 40 other business like-minded owners and work on that plan to finish out 2020 strong. Thank you as always for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive, profitable week, and I will see you next Monday. Happy Labor Day. Take care.